Oh, I drive by this place all the time, and I've never been inside. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, and, Nicole and I came here by accident. We had reservations at another place, and they, right, honey?
Yeah, they couldn't seat us for like an hour, so we ended up coming here, and we just loved it.
Loved it.
I can see why. I mean, that halibut was, that may have been the best halibut I've ever had.
Well, I'm glad we talked you out of the pork chops, huh?
Yes, thank you. I get that.
Oh, no, I got it.
No, I'm taking care of this.
No, your money's no good here.
No, my food was more expensive. I feel bad if I...
We invited you. I've got this.
Look, just let go of the check, huh?
You let go of the check.
I'm not taking my hand off this thing.
Well, neither am I.
Let go of the check.
Ernie, if he wants to...
Stay out of this.
Don't you talk to my wife like that.
Oh, yeah? What are you going to do about it? Sorry.